Hi everyone, today I'm going to be putting together some bow ideas for you guys. I'm going to be adding some different colors and textures together for the bows, and I'm also going to be doing a few different bow techniques and showing you how I place them in the tree. These are very easy, so I'll just show you really quick how I put those together. So these are already pre-cut because I had it on my tree from last year. So I've got this here, one loop, put that up like this. I did the same thing with this. Actually, that's probably an easier way to show you. Just crisscross that, hook them. These ones are super easy. Same with this, hook it. And attach it to the back there, put it in the middle. And so all of these bows are super different. So some are gonna have black in the front, some will have this in front, some will have this in front. So I'm just gonna maneuver all of these bows so that they are a little bit different. Some are gonna have longer tails than the others. And you could wire these, or if you're like me, I like to change things up, so I'm not wiring it. I'm just gonna stick it in the tree and wrap a little tree branch around this area in the middle. So I'll just kind of stick them in the branches here and there and let these kind of just hang. I've got this gray here and this birch print, one loop bow here. Just fold that over like that. And then with this, I'm going to do the same thing right on top of it. Turn the print to the front. This chicken wire ribbon, bend it in kind of a wave that hangs down the tree if you want, and in and out of the branches. I'm actually going to put that behind this one, and if you want you can wire it together here so it's easier for next year, or you can just stick it right in the tree and wrap a branch around it. So this is where I'm just going to grab a branch like this and wrap it right around. To make this a 2-loop bow, I could also do it really quickly by just looping it and hooking that in the back. 3-loop bow, same thing. Loop it and hook it. Add a branch, wrap it around. Super duper easy. This, straighten it out first. And then I'm just going to weave it in and out of the tree, make some loops. And just let it hang there at the end. This one I cut into a triangle down at the bottom. So you could just do one cut if you wanted. With this wire, same thing, I'm just going to wrap it in and out. Keep going with my ribbon. This is how I wrap it up for the years, just so that it doesn't get all crinkly and gross. And then I can just lay it flat inside of the containers. They're gonna go together. I just wrap them together like this. And I've cut both ends, so you could start at either end. And I'm going to do the same thing, just wrap it. Pull one off to the side a little bit if you want, or I liked it in the middle too. This is the bow that I'm going to be using for the Festival of Trees with this tree bundle. And then I added this velvet ribbon, and then I tied this little velvet ribbon right to the middle to hold it in place. Super easy, so I'm just going to make a loop here, loop there, connect it in the middle. Cross, hook it in the middle, make sure that the printed side is on the out. These are just gonna flop a little bit. When I pull this straight, I'm going to make sure that the printed side is facing me. And there we have it. This one side that I have still hooked spool down there. If I wanted to, it gives me room to make more loops over here on this side. If I wanted to do more of the loops, which I'm sure I will. And you can just keep going, make as many as you want. And with this flock tree, it's got a lot more open spaces in it, so I usually like to do the ribbon to where it just kind of hangs on these ones. So I've got 3 pieces of ribbon here. This is the one that I want on the outside. And this one, and then this one in the middle. And they can be longer, different sizes here. They don't have to line up perfectly. Actually, it's better to not have them line up. I'm just going to pinch them together. Make sure all of the printed sides are pulled forward. That's where I'm gonna wire this. And with this one, I would probably just let it hang because of the tree. But if it was a different tree that had more branches, I could go in and loop them like this, which I could still do here on this tree. Just might take a little bit more finagling to get it to look good. Being a part of my bow and ribbon tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye guys.